next one we're going to go into is the extraction exercise. Extraction, we also call them a double feed. But when you take a look at a double feed, what caused it? The causing of it is there's something still in the chamber that did not allow the new round to get stripped off the magazine and put in the chamber. So the extractor failed to extract the old casing. Gun did fire. Slide came back, failed to extract the round, picked up another round, and gave us this. Okay? That's an empty casing in there. So, the things with the extraction, the slide is going to be partially open. The trigger is going to be dead. So there's two clues. Okay? We got to get the magazine out of the gun. We've got to roll and rack to get the chamber clear. Then we have to refeed the gun. Refeeding the gun is a two-step procedure. Magazine in, slide operation. This is where we get a lot of operator error. We put the magazine in and we fail to actually do the slide operation, and then what do we got? A failure to fire, failure to feed. Then we have to do a tap roll rack. Okay? So, we have to get the magazine out. We have to get the gun, clear the feedway, get that chamber cleared. Then we have to reinsert another magazine, get around in the chamber, and then we need to settle back in and hit the targets. This is where we have a lot of misses, okay? Because we're such in a hurry to get back to work that we actually blow the first couple of rounds, which then put me where? Further. Okay? Pressing the trigger, it's dead. Back to the workstation. He's going to press the magazine release and rip out the mag. Roll and rack the gun. Now he's going to refeed the magazine, recycle the gun, and back to work. When he's done, he's going to confirm that he hit his targets, and then back to the holster he goes. Slide partially open, dead trigger. That's the two-tail sign. Rip it out, roll and rack it, refeed it, and back to work. Okay?